Hey, how y'all doing? I'm doing a little video showing latest pocket knife I finished. This one's a little smaller than what I've normally been making, and a different pattern. It's one I wanted to try for a little bit now, and I finally up and did it. Um, this is called a swayback with a Wharncliffe blade, and I made this to be a um, little smaller, be like a carry knife instead of a large one. It's only 3 inches long when it's closed. The handle's 3 inches, and when it's open, it is 5 inches and 3/16 long. Um, I actually really like this Wharncliffe style blade now that I've made it and can hold it and kind of feel the ergonomics of it. A lot of guys like that style, and I can kind of see why now. So I'm probably gonna make more of these because I actually rather like it. The blade centered up nice. It's first time using this particular handle material. It is red burlap micarta. I've used natural burlap. This is the first time that I've used the red, uh, and I think it's pretty neat. Anyways, it has stainless liners and nickel silver pins, and I did the bird's eye style pivot, and the bushing of it is stainless, and the hinge pin is nickel silver, and it blends together fairly well. You get it just right. You can see the little difference in materials there. I decided to use nickel silver instead of brass. Usually on a bird's eye pivot, they'll do the contrasting hinge pin material. But anyways, I got it just a little snappy. Next time I make one of these, I'm probably going to do a little less tension. I like the snappiness of it, and some folks do, but there's also a lot of folks that prefer more of a easier, smoother action. But anyways, boy, I got the blade dirty. I got a 400 grit hand sanded finish on it. The light glares quite nicely. And I did a kind of a long swedge there along the spine from tip on basically to the ricasso. I haven't sharpened it yet. For these videos, I'd slice myself all all apart if I had it sharpened. Anyways, this is it's not the first time using 3/32 thick blade material. I usually have been using 1/8 inch for my longer knives that are 4 inches long. For a smaller one, I did the 3/32. So that's a little bit of a learning experience too, because the spring feels a little different. That's why I got this one a little snappy, because I wasn't exactly sure how it was going to react. But now I kind of got a better idea, so I can adjust that moving forward on the next ones. This is my 45th one. So it's hard to believe I've made 45 of pocket knives now. Seems like I just started, but it's been a year and a half or better now, I reckon. Anyways, there's a look at this little dude. Wharncliffe style swayback. I hope y'all's having a good day, and I'll talk to you later.